Coming to the North India, particularly UP, and thereafter Bengal. Bengal will come afterwards. Let's talk about UP. I think a very important statement made by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, our AAP Supremo, after he came out on bail. And he said that BJP, this NDA faction, is not only after killing the opposition of other parties, but they are equally inclined to kill the opposite factor right within the party. And he specifically took the name of योगी जी कि योगी आदित्यनाथ को भी 2 महीने में वो अपनी कुर्सी से खाली करा देंगे. That was his comment. I think the people of India overall, we the people of India, where these people were predicting that हम 400 पार चले जाएंगे, we will cross 400. Now the people of India is thinking differently. There was a time when the Jumlas were believed and Jumlas were carried forward by the Bhakt Raji. I always call them Bhakt Raji. जो अपने राजी खुशी से भक्त बन गया है. ये भक्त राजी का जो chunk of people in India है, वो सत्य खोजी के तरफ आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. And this is a very remarkable change as regards to the youth psychology of this country. It's very remarkable change. The youth are thinking differently. साला जुमलों का हमला होने से तो जुमले अभी गमले में जमा हो गए, ऐसी हालत हो गई है. और लोग सोचने लगे, मिस्टर खुसरो यहाँ पे है कि जन्नत की हकीकत हम भी जानते हैं काली, जन्नत की हकीकत हम भी जानते हैं खुसरो साहब. महज दिल के बहलने के लिए वो ख्याल अच्छा है कि
वाह वाह क्या बात है आपकी.
बड़ा डेवलप कर देंगे, बड़ा प्रोग्रेस कर देंगे, बड़ा कहां से कहां ले जाएंगे, इंडिया को तो वो बना देंगे और ये बना देंगे और ऐसा कर देंगे. ये परेशान. द पीपल आर harassed as to the problems they are facing. I already spelled out this issue of Punjab, and again I will be repeating, it's a matter of power politics. In coming days and in future, the political equations are going to get changed inevitably and drastically. Now, we just cannot say that one thing is happen at one place should similarly be happen at another place. It will be rather ridiculous to think that this way. Now, the socioeconomics and the entire topographical factors compared to Delhi, compared to Mumbai, compared to Punjab, we must understand the differences there between. And simply one formula may not work. That it happened in Maharashtra, it happened in Kerala, it happened in UP. So similarly, it would have happened in Punjab. Would have, if you consider this frame, would have, well, I'm still open being a spokesperson of AAP. I'm saying in front of all your panel that yes, we are open this time. If there are some strategic mistake, we'll definitely see that in forthcoming time and the elections, we may get corrected that way. But the power politics of local issues, if you consider UP, the SAPA, the way it's coming, if you consider Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena, the way it's coming with Maharashtra, you consider Rashtravadi, and these TMC and all other factors in local factors, I think in Kerala also it matters so much. These local factors, unless and until you take into consideration comparatively in reference to their power, in what section of society, the social engineering, particularly of the OBC caste in India, matters a lot. And in coming days, entire election politics would be depending upon OBC's bifurcation, trifurcation, quadrifurcation, or whatever forgation you will make through Justice Rohini Commission. So these are the factors we need to consider. And I think Aam Aadmi Party is open to consider all that, depending upon the analysis. अभी तो जनाब सिर्फ 10 साल हुए हैं, राष्ट्रीय पार्टी हुई है, थोड़ा रुक जाइए, थोड़ी बहुत गलतियां होगी, सुधार लेंगे भाई. I finally would like to make my point before I leave your channel for my appearance in some other channel. So I was very enlightened and happy to talk and discuss different issues with different panelists. All the way, it indicates this election 2024 is a significant election, indicating that people of India are thinking differently. If you make a specific and will ask me that what is those different thinking of the people reflected in this mandate of 2024, I think three very major important points. Number one is religious factor. People of India, we the people of India will definitely accept somebody as a statesperson, leader of political stature, but will not accept the religious leader where Mr. Modi has tried to make it through Ram Mandir, and I think this has worked against the consciences of the people, the enlightenment of the people, and particularly the youth crowd. Second, very important issue, the use of constitutional machinery for the political gain. Nobody so far in the history of 75 years ruling in constitution of Indian democracy has seen such a gross misuse of ED, CBI, NIA and all other constitutional institute, even including the judiciary. The death of Justice Loya, the people are not forgetting. To the extent people can go the criminalization of politics, that if the decision will not be in our favor, we may kill you. So this is not accepted to the young minds and the Indian frame of constitution, their psychology. Third, very, very important and touching point, which I will end my talk upon, is the atrocities on women's. Take it many places, as I said, now Katau and this Hathras and all other Manipur and this Revanna matters. People will not accept it. We have our own identity, and I think this is the time, as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has spelled out in his last speech before the Constitution bench on 25th November 1949, that we, the people of India and their consciences, will keep my democracy alive in spite of legislature, executive, judiciary, and media wipes out or goes in favor of some fascist power. This is the final strength of the people. And I think 2024 parliamentary election is indicating that Indian people are well enough sensitized, well enough known, well enough wise to decide their polity and their system. Thank you very much. You should kindly allow me to proceed ahead, please.
Advocate